Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is want. This woman really wants that cake. Here is want in other languages. Pause the video and find yours. Want means to desire greatly, to wish for it. Want. Past wanted, past progressive, was wanting. Present want, present progressive wanting, future will want. Let's build a sentence. She wants. Remember, he, she, it, and a name add s and es to the verb. Let's build a sentence. She wants, she wants what? What does she want? She wants a bag. See how the what question is usually answered by a thing, a noun. She wants a bag. Let's build a sentence. She wants a bag. Which bag? She wants a handbag. Okay. Let's build a sentence. She wants a handbag. Why? Why does she want the handbag? She wants a handbag for her friend. Let's build a sentence. She wants a handbag for her friend. Which friend? She wants a handbag for her friend from school. Let's build a sentence. She wants a handbag for her friend from school. Why? Why does she want the handbag? To thank her for her help. Oh, that's nice. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence, so keep up the great work.